Good morning. Today I'm gonna. Really?
I often wonder to see people.
Yeah, so there are three types of instructors. One, two, don't talk. Park, turn it all the way to the right. All the way to the right. Good. This is a teachable moment. This is an uncontrolled intersection. You will go cul-de-sac. You want to go in through. Nice. You can go all the way. Hey guys, what's going on? Hey guys, what is going on? Hey guys, we're talking about custom parking spots today for high. Hey guys, here's our next custom parking spot. 4 years. Guys, here's another custom parking spot right now. This is awesome. Hey guys, this is next custom parking spot. Sleep on the. Hey guys, here's another custom parking spot. This is another custom parking spot. 808 and grab. Hey guys, we're talking about custom parking spots today, and these are really awesome. Hey guys, what is going on today? We're talking about. Here we go, guys. This is a custom artistic parking spot for here. Hey guys, here's another artistic parking spot. Seniors get. Hey guys, I think this is one of the most creative custom parking spots. Hey guys, I'm parked. Let's talk about what do you need to do for me. What is going on, guys? I'm going to give you the Blue Line cheat code. Hey guys, I'm going to give you your Blue Line cheat code for passing your road. Okay guys, these are your traffic control people. We cleared another teachable moment. The person in the semi truck is doing. A lot of people will steer to police cars up there, and then they won't pay attention. Okay, what is going on? So I'm going to share my day. What's going on? It was a good day of driving today. I had kids parallel park. The 360 You mentioned the 360 cameras. Can you tell me?